Just in time for the holidays comes your chance to order this essential collection. Jingle Belch, the newest collection of holiday classics by world-renowned Belchellist Tommy Purge.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth.
This album includes all of your holiday favorites, including
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
And don't forget,
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
and who could forget,
Away in a manger, no crib for a bed.
and I want to forget,
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas.
and of course,
Now the bells ring, silver bells all sing the same. Throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the long. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
all of your holiday favorites expectorated by the chairman of the Gorge. Order now and receive your copy in time for Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, Christmas Hanukkah Kwanzaa Kana.
That's the Jingle Belch. That's the Jingle Belch. That's the Jingle Belch rock.
Order your copy today.